Welcome to this session. If you're listening to this during a wave of panic, you're safe. You're here. And we're going to move through this together. You don't have to quiet your mind. You don't even have to slow your heart. You don't even have to fix anything. All you need to do is follow my voice moment by moment. So take one small breath in, not deep, and let it fall out on its own. Good. Now bring your attention to something solid around you. Anything. The chair you're on, the floor beneath your feet, even a wall within reach. Pick one thing and just stay with it. Touch it if you can. Feel its temperature. The texture. And even the weight of it. This is the first step out of panic. Contact with something steady. So let your breath move in a small rise and then a slow release. Now place your hand on your chest or your belly, whatever feels more natural for you. You're not trying to force the breath to change. You're giving the body a clear signal. I'm here with you. Your hand becomes an anchor, a quiet reminder that you're present, right now, in this exact moment. So take another soft breath in, and then let it drift out. And now look around the room, just with your eyes. Then pick one thing you see. Name it in your mind. And then pick another. And another. And this moves your attention out of the spiral and into the present. Good. Now notice your feet. Notice the way they press into the surface below. Now press them down just a little more. Not hard, just enough to feel grounded. Now hold that pressure for a slow count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and then release. So do it again. Press gently. space. Your body is learning that it can create its own sense of safety. Now bring your focus to your breath again. Not to slow it, and not to change it, but to let it move through you like a wave you don't need to control. In and out. In and out. Easy rhythm, and nothing is forced. And if your breath still feels tight, well, that's okay. Tight breath in panic is normal. It's allowed. Now imagine a warm light just behind your chest. It's not bright, just steady. Now this light doesn't push. It doesn't even fix. It simply sits with you the way a calm friend would sit beside you. No pressure, no judgment, just presence. So let that light spread across your chest. Down into your belly. Up into your throat. And across your shoulders. Let it soften the edges of panic, not clear it. Just soften it. So take a slow inhale through the nose or mouth, whatever feels easier, and let it fall out smooth. Now we use a simple rounding rhythm. Follow this exactly as I say it. Breathe in for 1 count, hold for 1 count, and breathe out for 2 counts. Breathe in for 1 count, hold for 1 count, and then breathe out for 2 counts. So let's do it. In for 1, hold for 1, out for 2. 1, 2, and again. In for 1, hold for 1, and then out for 2. 1, 2. So keep that rhythm. It eases the body without forcing the breath to slow too much. In, hold, and out for 2 counts. Good. Now let the breath return to its natural pace. Bring your focus to the space around your heart again. This time, notice how the panic has shifted. Even if it's still present, it's not as sharp, not as gripping. It softened at the edges, and you did that. Now say quietly inside, "This wave will pass." Now not as a mantra, and not even as hope, as a simple fact. All waves rise, and all waves fall. This one is already easy. So now imagine yourself sitting in a wide open field. Soft ground, warm air. Everything is spacious. You're not trapped. You're not even closed in. You're surrounded by open space. Now this is the opposite of panic, the sense of having room. So let that image fill your chest. And another slow breath in, and then let it out nice and easy. So now place your attention on your hands. Curl your fingers gently into your palms. And release. So again, curl your fingers. And then release. This resets the nerves through movement. So now shake your hands lightly. Soft, loose, and easy. Just a little motion to free the tension that gathered there. Good. Now let your hands rest. Take a breath that reaches your ribs and let it flow out long and smooth. Now notice what's changed. Your chest is looser, your breath is steadier, and your attention is here, not lost in the surge. You're coming back. So let the wave fade in its own time. Let your breath stay soft. And let the ground hold you. Take one last easy inhale and release it slow. And when you're ready, open your eyes now. You're here, you're safe, and you did very well. Good work today, and namaste.